हेलो गाइस। कैसे हो आप सब? वेल, यू नो आई थिंक आजकल ना वर्ड्स का मीनिंग नहीं रहा है. डू लेट मी नो इट्स जस्ट मी और like at the end of the video I would really like to hear from you guys. It's just me or you also feel the same? Well, do you know I have given the net exam for 4 times. Yes, 2 times the UG and 2 times the PG. And my parents wanted for me to give it again the third time in PG. And it was the first time in my life I fought for myself. I stood for myself and I said कि नहीं मैं नहीं दूंगी. Though I have given lots and lots of exam and got the admission in masters, life doesn't go the way we want. But we have to accept it. And if we can't accept it, we just can't bear it. कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि it was very difficult to make my surrounding people understand that जैसा आप सोचते हैं वैसी मैं नहीं हूँ. I am not that great. I mean, it was very difficult to tell them I am not as इतनी काबिल जितना आप समझते हो. I mean, हाँ, the saying that दूसरे कर पा रहे हैं तो तू भी कर पाएंगी. You're just like, try more. You have tried a lot and just a little and you will be. No, please accept मेरी औकात इतनी थी और इतनी है. I don't need appreciation. Seriously, it's fine. But acceptance कि इतनी ही औकात है, sorry. इतना ही मैं कर सकती हूँ and this is the most I can do and I'm sorry. Because please look at those who can't, right? And the surrounding, the pressure and everything, you can never express in the words what you are going from, what is going on with you. And the one who actually dares to say has no meaning. It becomes joke. The stand-up comedy. I have heard this a lot कि भाई तू तो stand-up comedy कर ले, you are the best. भाई मैं सच्चाई बह रही हूँ और कुछ नहीं कह रही हूँ, सच के अलावा और कुछ नहीं कह रही हूँ. भाई गीता को ला लो सामने, मैं उसके ऊपर हाथ रख के कह दूँ. But it feels jokes, right? Just laugh it off. कोई बात नहीं. And it's somewhere good also because I can express myself being funny. But yeah, you have to let go of the guilt because you did your best. And जैसे मैंने कहा, क्या सिर्फ मुझे फील होता है कि दुनिया में वर्ड्स की वैल्यू नहीं रही है? I mean, the other day I was telling one of my friend कि प्लीज़ यार ऐसा मत करो. This is something I just don't feel it is right to do, and I am not okay with it. And like, chill, bro. Let it be. क्या तू भी ऐसा? When I say I'm not okay with it, when I'm say हाँ मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आया, like why I have to go to the extreme to say that I'm not fine, to make them understand I'm actually not fine. I mean to say, guys, like, you know, I never generally complain when it's like, when I can bear, okay? And when it's unbearable and I'm like, अब मेरे से सहन नहीं हो रहा है. So, since the start, I have felt this, कि they take it like, oh, she can bear a little bit more. It's not that serious. Nobody takes that level of seriousness when it's needed for me. So, things happen who have been with me for like long years. So, they now understand when I say I'm not okay. They get scared. And it took time for them. So, this is how it is. I think I have to be more verbal when I'm like मेरे से ये नहीं हो रहा, मेरे से वो नहीं हो रहा, and then हाँ मेरे को थोड़ा fever है, हाँ बढ़ गया, oh now I can't bear, then it's like they will understand, okay अब तो बिल्कुल bearable नहीं है. But I'm not a kind of person कि थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलो, till it's manageable I manage. That's why kahin na kahin when people say to me that they are not okay, I get little bit, do you need anything, can I do anything for you, I become serious. And it's, is it something I should not do? Why the life so difficult, why the words are not like, मुझे पीके याद आ गया है, है है वाला चीज, जब वो जेल में था. Ignore my pimples guys, I'm just stressed. एक और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम देने जा रही हूँ जो 15 दिन में है. Your skin, your hair, your health shows what you're going from. But I'm okay, I'm fine. I have lived my whole life like this. It's fine. I need to stand on my own feet. पता है तुम सिर्फ तुम हो अपने लिए और कोई नहीं है. So you have to be capable enough to take care of yourself first. Then only you can take care of anyone if you really want to. So that's it. So do let me know, क्या आपके वर्ड्स का मीनिंग आपको मिलता है जिस वे में आप बोलते हो, or is it just me? Am I overthinking? And did I say something wrong? Well, take care. Bye bye.